Welcome to the Olive Tree Bible app. In this video, we'll walk through the basics to help you get started on your Mac. We'll cover navigating the app, creating an account, downloading a Bible, and finding your way to any passage. First, let's take a quick look at the app layout. In the sidebar, you can access things like messages, reading history, notes, and highlights. You can toggle the sidebar open and closed by selecting the icon in the upper left. The left and right arrows allow you to quickly navigate through your history. The library is where you can access and download your Bibles and books. The store is where you can find additional books, including free and paid titles. Reading plans help guide your daily Bible reading. Settings lets you adjust things like font sizes and themes. Search allows you to look up keywords or phrases. The book ribbon lets you save a place to come back to later. The Study Center allows you to explore more study tools. Select the icon in the upper right to open or close the Study Center. The verse reference in the center shows you where you are and lets you quickly navigate to another passage. Next, let's make sure you're signed in. Creating an Olive Tree account lets you access your library and keeps your notes, highlights, and saved passages backed up and synced across your devices. To get started, select Sign In. From here, you can select Create Account to create a new account. If you already have an account, just enter your email address and password to sign in. The English Standard Version Bible text is included with the app by default, though you may see a different translation if you choose one during the initial first run screens of the app. You can also add more Bible translations to your library from the store. We have free Bibles as well as Bibles available for purchase. Let's download a free Bible. Select the store icon, then scroll to the bottom of the homepage and select See All next to Free Resources. Here, you'll find a selection of free Bibles and books. When you find one you'd like, select Download. Once the download is complete, the button will change to Open. Select Open and the Bible will appear in the main window. Alternatively, you could close the store to open the Bible from the library. To open a Bible from your library, select the library icon. At the top, you'll see three tabs: Cloud, Device, and Recommended. The Cloud tab includes all of the Bibles and books registered to your account. If you see a download arrow on a title, just select it to download. The Device tab shows all books already downloaded to your device, which are available for offline use. Audio titles are also listed in the Device tab for streaming, but can be downloaded for offline use if needed. The Recommended tab shows books we suggest based on your library. The Bibles you downloaded will appear in the Cloud and Device tab. Select it to open the Bible and start reading. To jump to a specific passage, select the verse reference at the top of the screen. From here, choose the book, then the chapter, and finally, the verse you want to read. And that's all you need to get started. You're now ready to read and explore the Bible in the Olive Tree app. Be sure to check out our other help videos or to visit help.olivetree.com for more tips and detailed guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your study.